Following on from the previous video, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the recipe weighing out process for the blending operation. Similar to the previous terminal, I'm firstly going to select my work order by pressing the magnifying glass. This then opens the list of work orders available for this terminal. Once I select my work order, the output product or products are displayed on the terminal for the operator as well as the quantity required for each. For this recipe, I have a primary output and a secondary output. The secondary output has been configured in the system as I have the ability to produce both of these from this recipe. At the bottom of the screen, I have the various traceability information that has been populated automatically from the raw product that I scanned into this batch on the blending terminal in the previous video. I am able to allocate a location for which the product will reside in once I produce a label if required. In this scenario, I will select the finished goods store. Once I have a case of product on the scales and receive a stable weight, I am then able to select Save and produce a label for that case. This then also creates an inventory item within the Emidex warehouse management system. Once the batch has been completed and the next batch appears on the production line, I can select Complete Batch, which will then close this batch from the system. This video showed producing product from a recipe blending process.